I still remember stepping out of the shower in my newly renovated bathroom, only to find the mirror completely fogged up, moisture dripping down the painted walls, and a faint mildew smell developing. I had bought a cheap, generic fan, thinking a fan is just a fan. I was dead wrong. Finding the right exhaust fan means navigating through confusing airflow ratings, deceitful noise levels, and terrible installation brackets. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 bathroom fans I have personally tested to save your walls, your mirrors, and your sanity. Which one permanently solved my moisture nightmare? Let's find out. 5. Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan. It markets itself as a simple retrofit option with a built-in LED light, which seemed like a highly practical feature for a darker bathroom space. On paper, it boasts a respectable 110 CFM airflow rating, which should technically be more than enough to clear the steam out of a standard-sized bathroom. I was initially drawn to the sleek, modern look of the flat LED panel, thinking it would blend seamlessly into the ceiling without drawing too much attention to itself. However, the reality of installing and testing this fan told a slightly different story. The installation process, which was heavily advertised as a breeze, ended up being quite frustrating because the mounting housing felt surprisingly flimsy in my hands. The metal enclosure easily bent when I was trying to secure it to the ceiling joists, which made getting a perfectly flush fit against the drywall incredibly difficult. I had to use extra shims and spend an additional hour just trying to stop the unit from wobbling inside the ceiling cavity. Once I finally got it wired and turned on, the performance left a lot to be desired. While it does manage to move air and eventually clear the steam, the noise level was significantly louder than I had anticipated based on its specifications. Instead of a smooth hum, the flimsy housing contributed to a persistent, irritating rattling noise that vibrated through the ceiling every time the fan was running. The damper flap also has a tendency to stick, which means sometimes the humid air just circulates back into the room instead of being pushed outside. 4. Broan-NuTone AE50110DC. I was very excited to try this model because it features a modern DC motor and a selectable CFM switch, allowing you to choose between 50, 80, or 110 CFM right on the unit. This seemed like a brilliant concept, giving you the flexibility to adapt the fan's power to the specific size of your bathroom without having to buy a whole new unit. The DC motor is also incredibly energy efficient, which is a great selling point for anyone looking to reduce their long-term electricity footprint. During my testing, the motor itself proved to be strong and noticeably more consistent than cheaper alternatives. When set to the maximum 110 CFM, it pulled a thick cloud of steam out of the testing bathroom in a matter of minutes, proving that the internal fan design is highly capable. I also appreciated the clean, minimalist look of the white grille, which sits fairly flat against the ceiling and doesn't yellow over time like older plastic models. Unfortunately, my enthusiasm waned when I realized that the internal damper system on this model is incredibly flawed. Over the course of a few weeks, I noticed cold drafts entering the bathroom on windy days. Upon inspection, the cheap plastic damper was constantly flapping open against the ductwork, failing to create a proper seal when the fan was turned off. Furthermore, the easy duct connector system, which is supposed to make attaching your exhaust hose simple, felt overly tight and brittle. I actually cracked the plastic flange slightly while just trying to slide a standard 4-inch insulated duct over it. 3. Homewerks 714801AX. This is not just a bathroom fan. It is a fully integrated entertainment and lighting system featuring a built-in Bluetooth speaker and Alexa voice assistant. I installed this in my teenager's bathroom, and it completely transformed the morning routine. The unit pushes an impressive 110 CFM of air, and the integrated LED light panel is beautifully bright, casting a clean, daylight-style glow that is absolutely perfect for getting ready, shaving, or applying makeup in the morning. What truly sets this fan apart in my testing is the flawless integration of the smart features. Connecting my smartphone to the Bluetooth speaker was completely painless, and the audio quality is surprisingly rich and clear. It gets more than loud enough to be heard over the sound of running shower water without distorting. Having Alexa built directly into the ceiling means you can ask for the weather forecast, change the song, or even control other smart devices in your home entirely hands-free while you are washing your hair. The ventilation performance is equally impressive and easily keeps pace with the tech features. The fan operates at an incredibly quiet 1.5 zones, meaning the gentle hum of the motor never competes with the audio coming from the speaker. I tested its moisture-clearing capabilities during back-to-back hot showers, and the mirror remained impressively clear the entire time. The internal build is solid, with a sturdy galvanized steel housing that sits firmly in the ceiling joists without a hint of vibration or rattle. 2. Panasonic FV-0511VH1. This unit is an absolute revelation because it combines a high-performance exhaust fan with a built-in electric space heater. Like many of Panasonic's premium models, it features their Picky Flow speed selector, allowing me to easily toggle between 50, 80, and 110 CFM. The heating element operates independently from the ventilation fan, meaning you can blast warm air into the room before you step into the shower, and then switch over to the exhaust function to pull the steam out afterward. Testing the heater function was an absolute joy during the colder months. The moment you flip the switch, a specialized positive temperature coefficient heater instantly blows a strong, deeply comforting wave of warm air down to the floor. It genuinely changes the entire dynamic of taking a shower in the winter, completely eliminating that dreadful, shivering dash from the hot water to your towel. The heating element is safely enclosed and incredibly efficient, warming up my mid-sized bathroom in less than 5 minutes. When it comes to ventilation, the Whisper Warm absolutely lives up to the Panasonic legacy. Even though the housing contains a heater and a heavy-duty blower, the exhaust fan operates with a near-silent whisper that is almost imperceptible. I actually had to hold a piece of toilet paper up to the ceiling grill just to verify that it was successfully pulling air. The build quality here is industrial grade, featuring heavily reinforced steel and precision-engineered fan blades that move massive volumes of air without creating any turbulent wind noise. The installation process was surprisingly painless for such a complex unit, thanks to Panasonic's brilliantly designed Flex-C fast installation bracket. 1. Panasonic FV-1115VQ1. I installed this absolute powerhouse in my primary bathroom, which previously suffered from severe humidity issues, and the results were nothing short of miraculous. This model features an adjustable CFM switch that lets you ramp the power all the way up to 150 CFM. It utilizes an ultra-efficient, heavy-duty DC motor that is engineered to run continuously without ever burning out or overheating. The true genius of the Whisper Ceiling DC lies in its smart flow technology. In most homes, ductwork bends, turns, and travels long distances, which creates static pressure and drastically reduces a fan's actual pulling power. This Panasonic fan actually senses the air resistance in your ductwork and automatically increases its motor speed to guarantee it is pulling the exact amount of air you selected. During my testing, I hooked it up to a difficult, winding duct run, and it intelligently revved up to compensate, completely clearing the densest shower steam in under 3 minutes flat. Furthermore, this is the quietest high-capacity fan I have ever experienced in my life. Operating at less than 0.3 zones, it is virtually silent. When you turn it on, there is no mechanical hum, no rattling, and no rushing air sound. There is just a magically clear bathroom. I often leave it running on a lower continuous setting all day just to keep the bathroom smelling fresh. and I never even notice it is on. The structural integrity is flawless, and the backdraft damper is perfectly weighted, creating an airtight seal that definitively stops any outside drafts from entering the home. Outro. That's all for today, folks.